It's hard to get going. Okay. Making school matter to kids, making things relevant that they learn. And we've all been in classes that we look at the instructor, or we look at what we're learning and think, you know, this just doesn't make sense to me. How am I ever going to use this in real life? You know, will I ever get a job that will utilize what I'm learning? And so it makes it difficult for students or anybody to be engaged. So I guess part of it is igniting that spark in a student. And we're going to do that through student engagement in 7th graders. We pulled together some focus groups. There was 30 high school students from 9th to 12th grade. We had a group of students or young adults that had not graduated from high school, because we wanted to see what were the barriers for them to graduate from high school. There were teachers, a lot of experts in the education field, school administrators, instructors, and we brought them all together and asked a lot of questions and got a lot of results from them to determine that we wanted to do 7th grade student engagement. So from here, we're going to look at community partners that we can work with, determine a program that is measurable, that has an evaluation piece that will be successful, and then we'll take that out to the community to see what group or groups could implement that in our community. Implement? Implement.